Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Lainey. I have a really exciting video for you guys today. We're going to do a thrifting Halloween costumes. But before we get into this video, I want to say thank you so much Casetify for sponsoring this video. Casetify's Impact and Ultra Impact cases are made with 65% recycled and plant-based material. Casetify's Cheat Tech 2.0 technology offers protection up to 9.8 feet for the Ultra Impact case. Their cases are also wireless charging and 5G compatible. Casetify carries a huge variety of phone case colors and designs to fit your every mood. Choose from their selections of curated prints. You can even personalize a case with your favorite font, design, and layout for a truly customizable case. Casetify's Impact and Ultra Impact cases are 100% BPA free, 100% non-toxic, and non-hazardous. Their cases feature Defensify, an antimicrobial coating that kills 99% of bacteria and prevents bacteria from sticking to the case's surface. Apple just released the new iPhone 13, and if you are thinking about getting it, make sure you have your Casetify case ready for that new phone. You don't want any damage. Phones are expensive. Keep them protected. So if you want to get 15% off your Casetify phone case, you can go to casetify.com/Lainey or click the link in the description box. Now that you guys heard about Casetify, seriously, go check them out. They're my favorite. Let's talk about what I was trying to thrift today. So I went to the thrift store with 4 costumes that I wanted to thrift that I thought would be easy or just like doable and had a little bit of wiggle room. I didn't want to pick a costume where I knew in my head I needed a pink and white striped shirt. I don't know what that would be for, but you know what I mean? Something where like there's an array of things I could wear. The first thing that I thought would be really easy to thrift was a burlesque style costume. For this, I ended up going to the lingerie section. I found corsets. I found a little slip skirt. The second one, I thought it was really funny. I was thinking of more ways to wear your cowboy boots as Halloween costumes without being a cowboy or a space cowboy, because I feel like those are really overdone. So I thought a rodeo clown. Okay. I feel like clown makeup can be done so well now, like cute and not scary looking, and you just kind of dress up as a cowboy with clown makeup, and it's a rodeo clown. I thought that was cute. The next one is Betty Boop. All I needed to find was a red dress and red heels, and luckily those were really easy to find. Another basic one is a fairy. I wanted to show different ways of doing this, maybe without even going and buying the like wings or something, like you're just kind of ethereal looking more so. And then I was gonna leave the 5th option just to be something I found in the thrift store if something called out to me and made me think, okay, this works, because sometimes that works a lot better than going in with a set plan. And I found this like shimmer jumpsuit that's definitely an old dance costume. I think it'd work really well as like a disco go-go girl type of thing. Let's just start putting on the pieces and see where they go from there. What a difference hair and makeup makes. Wow, I did not think I was gonna like this costume that much, but I think it's really fun. This dress had straps on it, and I was fighting with them because I was like, they are not staying in place. And then I realized they come off, and Betty Boop's dress is strapless. So I think this is really good, but this is really cute. I feel like I look like Betty Boop. If I went and got a garter from like whatever, Party City, I think that could really help. And then also I saw a lot of people were holding like a little Dalmatian puppy, like stuffed animal, and that's really cute as well. Then also I was thinking this could be a really cute like group outfit, because there are a lot of different like Betty Boops, and you could find a bunch of different ones. I know there's one of her wearing like a black leotard. That's like an iconic one, and then also just whatever, any other kind, and you could all go as Betty Boop. If you have brown hair, but maybe it's not short, you just pin up the back and like this, you pull out face framing pieces, because honestly this is more like her hair. But I think it might short enough to get away with it too. So I actually really like this one, thumbs up. Keeps falling. Let's go on to the next. This is the costume with the 2 pieces I thrifted. I've also got this little scarf. So let's just try and zhuzh it up a little bit, because this is lacking. So I've got these polka dot tights that I think would be fun. These won't be a part of the bundle because they're mine, and and I like them. Then this bodysuit or this corset is obviously a little bit big on me, but again, it's not for me, it's for one of you guys. We either have like these giant go-go boots, but I kind of want to do cowboy boots, like all black ones. I feel like this kind of fits, you know? I'm trying to think. They normally have like a mini top hat, which would be really easy to go to like Party City and get one of those. I feel like caving and getting accessories, like at Party City or Halloween USA, whatever those places are called, isn't that big of a deal. They're pretty inexpensive. You can get the base of your costume thrifted. For one, you'll be totally unique. No one's gonna have the same costume as you, and it's a lot cheaper. You guys, this is just so freaking cute. Look at this, it fits me like a glove. So go-go boots, that's something we've got. Again, none of these shoes are going to be with the costumes because that would have really been a lot of money. I don't want to give up this costume, it's so good. And some colored sunglasses, okay. I think this is really cute. Obviously, this would be a rarity to find at the thrift store, a jumpsuit costume like this. But I think it just shows if you're going to the thrift store to look for clothes or costumes, sometimes just go with an open mind and you might be more surprised at what you find instead of just going and thinking this is what I'm gonna get. This is really cool. I kind of really want to keep this for myself. So if you don't see this on my Depop, just know it's because I kept it for myself and I will be wearing it this Halloween. Maybe you can have it next Halloween, okay? Okay, wow, I love this one too. This turned out really cute. I don't know what shoes to put with it though, because I've got the ones that I just bought. So if you can't tell what is going on with this dress, this is actually a skirt underneath, it's a slip, and I just tucked it all the way up to go under here since this is all see-through. And I liked this one because it has a little lace trim. And then the overlay, I don't know why, it gives very Pixie Fairy to me. Then I put my hair in like 2000s-esque little ponytails all around my head because if I'm gonna dress as a fairy, I'm gonna look like different than what I normally do. So these are the shoes that we could pair with it. They're aggressive. Okay, I feel like these are little fairy girl shoes, like I have to. I look really sweaty because I put this glitter all over my body. Oh my god, these shoes are too fun. Holy guacamole. I feel like a little pixie. Holy guacamole. I didn't think I was gonna be able to stand in these. I'm gonna say that and then break my ankle. Oh my god, these are so tall, but they are so cute. This is so cute. I'm getting married in this. I always say that, but I'm not getting married. Also, I really suggest looking up like fairy costume or whatever costume on Google instead of Pinterest, because you're gonna get more unique ideas. Maybe they aren't executed as well, but if everybody is looking at the same 5 fairy pictures on Pinterest, you're all gonna look like the same fairies. The beauty of being as something generic as a fairy, a disco girl, a pop star, that was always my favorite when I was little, is that there's so many ways to do it. If we're all going out as Betty Boop, we're gonna look pretty similar. I wish I had something blue to put in my hair. This costume could also work as a runaway bride. If you were supposed to get married in quarantine and never wore your dress, use it as a Halloween costume, one runaway bride. You're welcome. Okay, and here's the last outfit, Miss Rodeo Clown. You know, I think this one turned out pretty cute for literally having 0 inspo on it. It definitely feels more Halloween-y than the other ones. The other ones just feel like I'm being pretty. I added the tutu so it looks a little bit more clowny. You can't really tell, but I have a red nose, red clown nose. That's about where my makeup skills end because I don't know how to do clown makeup. But I feel like this would be a really fun one if like you're good at doing makeup. You could do so many like amazing inspirations for clown makeup and like super cool in-depth ones. You could be like a dead rodeo clown, add dead in front of anything, a dead fairy, dead Betty Boop, a dead go-go girl, and it's just completely different and it's unique. So that's always a pro tip, especially if you're good at that kind of makeup. Flannel, I just tied up to be a little more cutesy because I'm a rodeo clown. Oh wait, it's gender neutral. like cow boot. I felt like this one with the little like triangle in the back looks very Western. And then my skirt also has it. And my skirt is all like raw hem, which just feels very cowgirl to me, a little mini denim skirt. This tutu is for a baby, literally a baby. It's a size 2. But I didn't want to wear a full tutu, so I thought it'd be cute to add it as a little like hip hugger. Cute, right? These cowboy boots are perfect for any occasion. They're mine, I'm sorry, and this cowboy hat is mine. Those would be things you probably wouldn't be able to find at the thrift store. I mean, maybe. Most of my cowboy boots are from the thrift store. But in a pinch, maybe you have to get those. Maybe you already have them. You probably already have them if you watch this channel. It's Wednesday and I'm dressed up like a rodeo clown. Okay, you guys, that's it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you try out any of these costumes, tag me in your posts or send them to me. I would love to see it. If you want to buy some of these costumes, I don't know which ones I'm gonna list yet. I'll list them on my Poshmark though for just $5. They'll be in a bundle. I'll have all the sizes there so you guys can figure that out. They won't be up right after this video though, so just make sure to follow me on Poshmark to stay up to date with that. Or follow me on Instagram. I'll make sure to put it on my story and shout out when they go live. Remember to check out Casetify, and if you want a discount, just go to casetify.com/Lainey. And that's it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in a few days. I love you so much. Bye. Yeehaw.